water Arabian Sea, and while draining their water into Arabian Sea, those rivers form an estuary. Okay. Now, this is the sixth physiographic division of India, that is that India is having two group of islands respectively in two water bodies, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Here you can see these are the Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, this is the Andaman Nicobar Island. This lies in Bay of Bengal towards the east direction of India. Here you can see this is the Arabian Sea, and in Arabian Sea there is a group of island that is known as Lakshadweep Island. Okay. So these we are having two group of islands respectively in west and east direction. Now, Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island group lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. Malabar coast means they are parallel to the Kerala coast. Okay, very close to the Malabar coast or Kerala coast. This group of island is Lakshadweep. This is the location of Lakshadweep Island. Now next, this group of island is composed of small coral islands. Yes, this island group is formed of corals. Coral actually beta, these are the small marine animals, and when these animals get die, they are with passes of time their skeleton get hardened, and in this way they converted into a rock. So these are also known as the coral rocks. Okay, and that is why this whole island is also known as Coral Island. This is another name for this Lakshadweep Island. Earlier they were known as Lakadiv, Minicoy and Amindivi. Okay, there were the three major group of island, Lakadiv, Minicoy and Amindiv. In 1973 these were named as Lakshadweep. In 1973 the government has made changes and compiled all three big island groups into one and named as Lakshadweep Island. It covers a small area of 32 square kilometer, means the total area which is covered by this group of island is 32 square kilometer. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarter. In simple words we can say this is the administrative headquarter or the capital of Lakshadweep Island. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. Here we find the different types of diversity in terms of vegetation and animal species. They are lying very close to the equator. So here also we find the mostly evergreen forest. The Piti Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary. Piti Island, it is uninhabited, means the population does not live over here, and here there is a bird sanctuary, the biggest bird sanctuary where we find the different type of species of birds. So it is known for this. Now the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Beta, basically Andaman and Nicobar, these are the two group of islands. Okay, divided by one water body, that is 10-degree channel. Okay, the elongated chain of island located in Bay of Bengal extending from north to south are Andaman and Nicobar Island. Yes, here in the map I can show you. Beta, the two group of island towards north, this is the Andaman Nicobar Island, and there is a one water body. Here you can see this is 10-degree channel. This divides Andaman from Nicobar. North is known as Andaman Island, the south of the island is known as the Nicobar Island, and there is the 10-degree channel. This is a water body, small stream. So this divides this Andaman from Nicobar. Here next, they are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. Yes, they cover a big area and number of uncounted small and big islands lies are the part of this group of island and they are scattered. Scattered means काफ़ी दूर दूर फैले हुए हैं, बिखरे हुए हैं. They are not compiled or composed in one big area. Okay. The entire group of island is divided into two broad categories. The whole group of island is divided in two group categories, the Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountains. Beta, as maybe you have read that in oceanic bed also we find different types of landforms. So it is the belief that these are the एलिवेटेड पोर्शन ऑफ सबमरीन माउंटेन. जो हमारे समुद्र के तल पे जो हमारे लैंडफॉर्म्स पाए जाते हैं, जो बॉटम पे जो लैंडफॉर्म्स बनते हैं, ऐसा माना जाता है ये उन्हीं समुद्री पर्वतों का एक एलिवेटेड पोर्शन है. ओके, इन दिस वे दिस इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ दिस.